So here it is at midnight, and she is wide awake. She's got all her little toys out here, and she's got this one over here too that she enjoys jumping on. Spooky, what you doing? What you doing? Attack. Okay, so we need to move things a little bit here. Okay, she's gonna get a little quite good view here. Just grab that. Come on, attack. Get it. Just get it. Attack. Get it. She plays like this for hours. She's getting bigger. Uh-huh. I see you. And she eats well. She gets a whole can split in half a day. And then she has food over there and water. She loves being in his room. We're giving her a little bit more liberty running around the house. But still, though, she's getting a little bit big, so she doesn't fit well underneath the couch like she used to hide. Go. Attack. Go. You can do it. What's that? Get it. Up here. Come on, jump. Spooky. Don't pull too hard. Don't want to hurt her. That's what she normally does. It gets tangled up with all that. And then she runs around with it all combined. Let's see what she's doing in here now. This is a little playhouse. Oh, what's this? Watch this. Come on. Get it. She loves this little blue thingy. Here we go. Pop. No? Yep, there it goes. She just afraid of the phone. I do the videos on the phone. Get close to her level. There we go. Oops. Spooky. Get it. Come on, Spooky. So interesting because she knows when it's feeding time. She can smell it from the kitchen. That's clear around the other side of the house. Let's see if we can get a little bit close up. A little closer. There we go. She does that all the time. She'll come out and then hide and attack. favorite noise-making toys. She's feisty. She's feisty. She's a little feisty monster. All right, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Spending time with Spooky. Oh, say her name, she pops up. Night, Spooky. Say good night. Good night, Stilly Monster. Say good night. Boom, bounce.